3-step process to fix error tunnel connection failed problem in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type configure proxy server. Click here to open it. Then click on LAN settings. Then uncheck this option and click on OK and close it. Then again go to search bar and type CMD. Right click on here and click on run as administrator. Now type this command ipconfig/flushdns and enter. Then type netsh int ip reset and hit enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. Go to start, then click on settings. Here click on network and internet. In the Ethernet, click on change adapter options. Then right click on Ethernet and click on properties. Then select IPv4 and click on properties. Here select this option and enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Check this option and then click on OK. It will try to detect the problems, so it will take time. Then try to solve this problem, then just close this window. Now open Google Chrome. On the top right side corner, click on these 3 dots. Then click on More Tools and select Clear Browsing Data. Okay, in the Basic tab, select Time Range. Also, you can directly clear browsing data from the Advanced tab. Check these options and just click on Clear Data. Close all windows and just restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved.